Hello to all of you who are learning English across the world. I'm Susie. Welcome to my channel, English T&L. In today's video, we are going to learn the 26 letters of the English alphabet and how to pronounce each letter correctly and clearly. These are the capital letters or uppercase letters, and these are the lowercase letters. There are 21 consonants. You can see them here in blue. There are 5 vowels. You can see them here in yellow. Let's start with the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. For each letter, I'll say the letter first and then you repeat after me. A. A. I also have an international phonetic alphabet symbol on the screen. I will use these for each letter. They are not English letters, but they are symbols used across the world and are very useful for learning pronunciation. Hopefully, you'll find them helpful. Let's keep going with the vowels. I'll say it first, you repeat. E, E. I, I. O, O. U, U. Well done. Now we'll learn how to pronounce the consonant letters. These are in blue on the screen. Again, you can see the IPA symbols on the screen. When we say consonant letters, we also say vowel sounds. The vowel sounds are in yellow and the consonant sounds are in blue. Just like this. B, E. This letter ends in the sound E, as in the letter E. These 7 letters all end in the vowel sound E. B, E. B. B. S, E. C. C. D, E. D. D. J, E. G. G. P, E. P. P. T, E. T. T. V, E. V. 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 Now we'll learn to pronounce the 2 letters that end in the vowel sound A, as in the letter A. J, A. J. J. K, A. K. K. And now one letter that ends in the vowel sound I, as in the letter I. W, I. Y. Y. And now two letters that end in the vowel U, as in the letter U. K, U. Q, Q. W. We say the word double, d, a, b, u, double U, W, W. These 6 letters start with a vowel sound, e. It's a short vowel sound, e. F, 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 L, L, E, M, 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 E, N, 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 S, 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 X, 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 X. This letter starts with a vowel sound, A, as in the letter A. H. The consonant sound is ch. H, 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 H. In British and Australian English, we say this consonant letter with one vowel sound, ah, ah, ah. And last of all, Z. In British and Australian pronunciation, we say this letter Z, E, D, Z. Z. In American English pronunciation, it's Z, Z, E, Z. In British and Australian pronunciation, this letter is Z. Z. How did you go? Can you pronounce all the letter names correctly? If this video is helpful for your learning, please click like. Also, help me to help you by clicking on the subscribe button. Now, let's practice all 26 letters of the English alphabet in order. Me first and then you. Ready? A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Thanks very much and see you next time.